addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic. And in the question given on the board, is asked to copy and complete the table. No modular arithmetic were always considered with the remainder. Okay, let's solve the question. Since this question is having the first column and the second column, now we are going to keep adding the numbers, and every number we are going to find here must not exceed 5, because the question is given is in modulo 5. Therefore, no number will exceed 5 or reach 5 here. Okay, then we can keep adding the number 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 here is 1, 0 plus 2 here is 2, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 4 here is 4, because 4 is not up to 5. 1 plus 0 here is 1, 1 plus 1 here is 2, 1 plus 2 that is 3, 1 plus 3 that is 4, 1 plus 4 it reaches 5. Therefore we can say 5, 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. It reaches our modulo. Therefore we cannot put 5 until we divide it by 5 again. By our modulo, it will give 1 remainder 0. Therefore here is 0. Okay, in the next case you can say keep adding 2 plus 0 here is 2, 2 plus 1 here is 3, 2 plus 2 here is 4, 2 plus 3 that is 5. Any number reach 5 is must turn to 0. That is our reminder. 2 plus 4 is 6. Since 2 plus 4 is 6, then we can say 6 divided by 5 is equals to 1 remainder 1. 5 in 6 is 1 remainder 1. That is here is 1. Then the next number is 3. 3 plus 0 here is 3. 3 plus 1 here is 4. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder 0. That is 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 5. This is equals to 1 remainder 2. Here is 2. That is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. That is here is remainder 1. 3 plus 4 here is 7. That is 7 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 2. Here is 2. Then now the next number here we have 4. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 here is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Number reaches 5, therefore it will be 0. Because 5 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 0. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 1. That is 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 it will give 7. 7 it will give remainder 2. 5 in 7 is 1 remainder 2. That is 4 into 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 5. That is equals to 1 remainder 3. Here is 3. Once you solve the modulo, there is some diagonal line that you're supposed to consider. Since you solve this modulo successfully, then you must consider that there's the diagonal line in the modulo, it must give the same. Since we are in modulo 4, that is to say 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Can count some number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 1, 2. The middle number is our modulo. Therefore, since the modulo is modulo 5, the number must not reach 5 or exceed 5. That is the first one. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe. Let's solve the subtraction of modulo. In the case of subtraction of modulo, we can subtract 0 minus 0 here. 0 minus 0, it will give 0. 0 minus 1, if you have 0 minus 1, it will give minus 1. No need for putting minus 1. Therefore, you can take the modulo. Since we are in modulo 5, then you can add 5 to the number you get. Since minus 1, no need for putting minus 1 in the modulo. We don't need minus in the case of solving problem in modulo. Okay, now minus 1 plus 5, here it will give 4. In the next number we have 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, it will give minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5, you will get minus 2 plus 5. Here you will have 3. That is, in the next case again you have minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5, here you will get 2. The last one you will get 4. That is, here you will give 1, because minus 4 plus 5, it will give 1. This is how we can keep making the table. In the case of this one, 1 minus 0. If you have 1 minus 0, the answer is 1. That is, here is equals to 1. Okay. Then 2 minus 1. That is, if you have 1 minus 1, here is 1 minus 0, here is 1. 1 minus 1, here is 0. 1 minus 2. If you have 1 minus 2, the answer is minus 1. Since the answer is minus 1, you must add with modulo 5. Let's add with mod 5. If you add with mod 5, the answer will give us 4. Therefore, here will be 4. Then in the next case, here you have 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Since you have 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5. If you have minus 2 plus 5, you will get 3. Therefore, here we'll have 3. In the next case, you have 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, it will give minus 3. 1 minus 4, you will get minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5, here you will get 2. Then you can keep subtracting. 2 minus 0, here is 2. 2 minus 1, here is 1. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, you will get minus 1 again. 2 minus 3, if you have 2, that is, here you have 2 minus 2 here. 2 minus 1 is 1, then 2 minus 2. In the case of 2 minus 2, here you get 0. 2 minus 3. In the case of 2 minus 3, here you get minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5, here you get 4. 2 minus 4. In the case of these 2 minus 4, you get minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5, you get 3. In the case of here, you get 3 minus 0, here is 3. 3 minus 1, here is 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, you will get 1. 3 minus 3, here you get 0. 3 minus 4, you get minus 1. In the case of minus 1 plus 5, here is 4. Then the last one, you get 4 minus 0, here is 4. 4 minus 1, here you get 3. 4 minus 2, you will get 2. That is 4 minus 3, you get 1. 4 minus 4, here you get 0. That is what is called, this is how we can manage to add and subtract the modulo. That is the addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Then in the next case, we are going to solve 1 or 2 examples. Then if you are solving problem in mod 5, let's solve some problem in mod 2. That is if you have 2 plus 4 in mod 4. When you ask to solve this problem in mod 4, then you can add these two numbers. If you have 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Since you are counting in mod 6, then how many 4 do you have in 6? I have 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4, this is equals to 6 in 4, you get 1 remainder 2. That is 1 remainder 2, or you can say 4 times 1, or you can say 4 times 1. 4 times 1 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then 4 times 1 plus 2 is equals to 6. Therefore, our modulo of, if the modulo is given 2 plus 4, that is equivalent to 2 mod 4. Since this question is in mod 4, when the question is given in mod 5, assuming we have let's say 8 plus 6 in mod 5. 8 plus 6 is given in modulo 5. Therefore, if you ask to solve such question like this, then you can add 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, you will get 14. Therefore, how many 5 do you have in 18? In 14 here, you can count. That is, you may have, let's say 3, you may have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 plus 2 times 5 here is 10, plus 5 here will give 2 times 5 plus 4. 2 times 5 plus 4, you may get 14 here. Okay, always in modulo like this, we are always dealing with the remainder. Therefore, when dealing with the remainder like this, then this is our modulo. If you multiply 2 times 5, 10 plus 4, it give what? 14. Therefore, if such question is given, now we can conclude by saying 8 plus 6 is equivalent to 4 mod 5. That is in the case of some question given. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.